Keystone compact LED bulbs are the ideal LED replacements for CFL pin-based bulbs. Our LED bulbs are available in 2-pin and 4-pin varieties. Keystone DirectDrive 2-pin bulbs use a UL Type B ballast bypass design, eliminating the need for an external driver or ballast connecting right into line voltage. And they fit in both G24D and GX23 bases. Our SmartDrive 4-pin bulbs are compatible with most existing CFL ballasts and use plug-and-play technology. Simply insert into a G24Q base and turn on the power. Both our 2-pin and 4-pin bulbs are available with Keystone Color Select technology in 2 different ranges, 4000, 3500, and 3000 Kelvin, and 5000, 4000, and 2700 Kelvin. The versatile range of color temperatures is ideal for a variety of applications, and help you reduce skews too. Not sure which kind of bulb you need? Keystone has a downloadable compact LED lamp bases guide available on our website. This guide shows common pin bases in simple-to-understand illustrations, along with Keystone catalog numbers, orientation, and base replacement. So when it's time to replace your CFL pin-based bulb, Keystone has a solution for you. That's Keystone. Light made easy.